Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight LLC with a new video and a new topic. Today we will discuss about why original documents of shipment is required for custom clearance. As I have uploaded video already regarding custom clearance and what documents required for custom clearance. Let me give you brief on that. For custom clearance, documents we need are bill of lading, invoice, packing list, certificate of origin, delivery order, bill of entry and attested invoice by MOAFIC. These are the most important and as much as required documents. Once you done declaration, you have to submit shipment documents to the custom department. Because of submitting documents in custom department, you need original documents and you have 14 days time period to do so. Within 14 days, you have to submit documents, otherwise after 14 days you will get fined by custom department. You can send documents by using Zajel service. For this, you have to make online booking through Zajel website. After booking, you have two options for sending documents. First one is you take your documents by yourself in your nearest Zajel office and submit there. Second is when you booked your courier in Zajel, you receive call from Zajel and they send their rider to collect the documents from you and you don't need to go by yourself. You have to be very careful about documents. It must be original because only original documents will accepted by custom department. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.